Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. Today I'll be showing you this Vauxhall Meriva, which is 1.4 SC, petrol engine and manual gearbox. Really lovely car. Comes with this nice bronzy brown color. To start off with, we got this front and rear parking sensors on the car. In this video I'll be showing you walking around the car, any wear and tear to it. So it's first alloy there, which is 16 inch, which is really lovely. Nice color as well. The doors do open on the side, which is nice. Nice big entrance, especially ideal if you got kids. You have this tray, which is nice, with cup holders stand there. Got a cloth interior on the inside, all 4 automatic windows. Second alloy there, it's really lovely. As you can see, bodywork on the side is nice. Got reverse parking sensors there. Just a couple of small dent up here. Don't worry, it can get fixed. Sorry. So yeah, it does have rear spare tire, which is nice. Do have a tire repair kit under there. The seats do fold down all the way. Got a nice panoramic glass roof as well on top. See, third alloy, silver door handles as well. The fourth alloy there. Other than the dent, there's nothing else. I'll just jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. So down here we got your headlight settings, your windows and the wing mirror setting there. So the car's done 72,179 miles, which is nothing for them. Got a nice infotainment which gives you more information up there. Locking system, your CD player, FM auxiliary, does have Bluetooth connection. Here we got your aircon function there, 5-speed manual gearbox, and your handbrake down there. Tons of room, storage room everywhere. You got your cruise control and Bluetooth hands-free function up here. So yeah, so cars here with us will leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.